I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on announce calls so the system will speak incoming callers. Once done, go straight to Settings, Siri and Search, and tap Siri Voice to change the speaking voice and accent. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi because higher quality voices may download. This matters because the announced call uses Siri's current voice profile. Also verify the device language matches the voice selection, so pronunciations are consistent when names and numbers. Next, you select the precise voice you want and allow it to download. That's the core step that changes how calls are announced. Tap a voice variation, monitor the download indicator, and don't skip this wait. Partial downloads fall back to default speech. While downloading, you can adjust Siri language and voice feedback settings so names and prefixes announce correctly. Once the voice is fully installed, the new voice will be used for both Siri and announced calls, which saves you from inconsistent speech. Finish by testing. Call your iPhone from another device or ask someone to call. Listen for the new announced voice and confirm pronunciation. If announcements are silent, make sure ringer volume and speak selection are up and do not disturb and focus aren't blocking alerts. If you still hear the old voice, restart the phone, install any iOS updates, then reselect and re-download the Siri voice. This refresh often fixes download glitches and makes announced calls use the updated voice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.